Good morning. Yesterday I got in the mail my new Moose Racing windshield, which is plus 4 inches. I find when I'm on the highway I get a lot of wind in the face, so much that it's actually hard for me to turn my helmet to shoulder check. I don't know if that's normal or not. Like I say, I'm new. I've been doing some reading and thought a taller windshield might help, so I'm going to try. Okay, from what I understand, I only need to remove these 4 screws. That are still should just pull up. There we go. Okay, now I need to take these grommets from here and put them on the new one. And just compare the new windshield to the old, so you can see. I guess that's 4 inches. Looks more 4 inches to me. Okay, so I'm just going to put as much as I can through there, then try to rotate it. Well, that doesn't seem to want to work for me. Oh, now it might be working. Boy, that's not exactly the easiest installation process. There's got to be a better way to do it than that. About damaging the grommet or the windshield, I'm actually going to try poking it with a small screwdriver. Well, that's better. I mean, it really didn't take that long. Just take it for a ride and see what happens.